Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of irresistible snacks. We are making the classic puff puff but with a twist, cinnamon sugar puff puff. If you're excited for this tasty journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get cooking. To start, let's whip up the classic puff puff batter. In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and in a jug, add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, to 1 cup of lukewarm water. Make sure the water is not hot enough to burn your little finger. If the water is too hot, it will kill the yeast and the mixture would not rise. Stir and pour in the yeast mixture into the bowl of flour and mix well. Mix until you get that beautiful smooth consistency. Cover it up with a damp cloth and let it rise for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this recipe and want to see more delicious content, kindly hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty update from our channel. Now that the batter has risen, heat up some vegetable oil in a deep pan to 180 degrees Celsius. Here I made use of a batter dispenser, but you can take spoonfuls of your risen batter and gently drop them into the hot oil. Fry until they are golden brown and heavenly. Wait, we are not done yet. Now for the fun part. In a separate bowl, mix together 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. When your puff puffs are still warm, roll them in this magical cinnamon sugar mixture. And there you have it, our irresistible cinnamon sugar puff puffs. They are crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and that cinnamon sugar coating adds the perfect touch of sweetness. Give this recipe a shot and tell me how it turns out for you in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.